In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Zoho CRM all the way to saving a brand new vendor record. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each section is for, and a few best practices to keep your data clean and useful. First, open Zoho CRM and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. From here, you want to locate the option labeled Inventory. Depending on your layout, this might be visible right away, or it may be tucked under a More drop-down. Go ahead and click on Inventory to switch into the inventory-related modules. When the inventory section loads, you'll see different modules related to your products and purchasing process. Among these options, find and click on Vendors. This will take you to the Vendors module, which is where all your supplier information is stored. Think of this as your centralized list of companies and people you buy from, whether that's raw materials, services, or finished goods. Once you're on the Vendors page, you'll see a list view of any existing vendors, along with filters and views across the top. To create a new one, look for the Create Vendor button. This is usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Click on Create Vendor to open the vendor creation form. A new form will appear with several fields to fill in. Start with the basic information, such as the vendor name. This should be clear and consistent with how you refer to that supplier internally, so it's easy to search for later. Then add any key contact details you have available, like the main contact person, their email address, and phone number. If your company tracks things like payment terms, tax information, or account numbers, make sure to enter those in the appropriate fields as well. You'll also see address fields for billing and possibly shipping. It's a good idea to add at least the billing address, so your team has a reliable reference when creating purchase orders or invoices. The more accurate and complete this information is, the smoother your purchasing workflows will be. Before you save, quickly review everything you've entered for spelling and accuracy.